think she'd like roses.
Is it a she?
Yes, the females are larger and less colorful.
What happens when we die?
What happens? We return to the place that we came from.
I don't remember where I came from.
Nor do I.
She looks very small.
Yes. Yes, that's one of the things that happens. We look smaller.
But very peaceful.
Oh, is it done? Have we finished? Is the bird funeral complete?
Yes.
Very well then. Are we to be denied tea altogether for coming so early?
No, of course not.
Come on. Come on, boys. Let's have tea.
Yes, sir! Stop it!
Oh, stop it, Julia.